Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. Guys, today I will discuss the very important topic related with RCC column, and the topic is never forget 10 basic rules for design of column. Guys, if you can design of RCC column, if you can do the design of RCC column for 1 story, for 2 story, for 3 story, or for any story, so it's okay. But before starting design of RCC column, you should know the standard and basic rules of column. What are the 10 basic rules before starting design of RCC column? So you should know the basic rules. So in this video, I will discuss 10 basic rules which can help you during design of RCC column. So therefore guys, if you want to learn something new related with design of RCC column, so you should watch this video from start to end, then you're able to do something new in civil engineering, especially in design of RCC column. So let's start guys. If this topic is helpful for you, 10 basic rules for design of RCC column, so you will not pay for like this video. So for my motivation, like this video and subscribe the channel if you are new. Let's start guys. The topic is 10 basic rules for design of column. Guys, the first one is, that is, as you know guys, we have square column specially and rectangular column. Okay, so I will tell you guys, choose square column. Why choose square column? Okay, so choose square column for axial load. For axial load. How? As you can see guys, this is a column. Okay, and this is the its center, axial point. When the load, okay, so it shows load, okay, load of the column. When the load comes on the center of the column, on axial point, so in this case, choose square column. Which one? Square column. Choose square column. Okay, as you can see, L and width. L and width. So means length should be is equal its width. In the case of for axial load, choose square column. When the load comes on, when the compression load comes on the center of the column, so choose square column. In this case, you can choose square column. Now guys, the second rule is, that is, choose a rectangular column, in which case for eccentric axial load or axial load. How? Again, as you can see guys, this is RCC column. Okay, and this is its axial point. When the load comes on the eccentric point, eccentric point means without center. Okay, if load comes here, not on the center or on this point, when the load comes on the any point but not at the center of the column, compression, when the compression load comes not on the center, without axial point, so in this case select rectangular column. Select rectangular column. So this is the second basic point, means this is L and this is W, means L should be, length should be greater than width of the column. Okay, so remember these 2 points, especially basic rules in RCC column, where you can select square column and where you can select rectangular column. Rectangular column for eccentric axial load, okay, when load not comes on the center of the column, and square column when the load comes on the center. Okay, so this is second basic rule. Now guys, the third rule of RCC column, that is guys, as you can see guys, this is column, okay, and these are longitudinal bars. As you can see, these are ties, lateral ties, okay. So spacing of ties, this is standard, okay. Spacing of ties should be between 100 to 200 millimeter. This is the second basic rule. The tie spacing should be between 100 to 200 mm, and this you can select. This is the third basic rule. Guys, the fourth basic rule is, okay, dia of longitudinal bar, okay, that should be between 12 to 22 mm, okay, longitudinal bars, this dia, right. Now guys, the fifth basic rule of design of column, that is fifth, concrete cover. As you can see guys, here this is RCC column, and this is one steel bar, this is second one, this is third, this is fourth, this is lateral ties. So guys, the concrete cover from the steel center to external, so it should be what, 25 mm or more. More mean 25 to 40 mm you can keep. This is the standard, but especially 25 is okay. Concrete cover from the center of the steel to exterior point, that should be 25 mm. But here this one, not from the center, it should be not less than 15 mm. This is the other point, okay. Basic rule of design of column. Guys, here the sixth rule is, so let me erase these. The sixth one is, okay, that is use minimum M20 grade concrete in column, and M20 grade concrete ratio is 1.53, where one is cement, 1.5 is sand, and 3 is aggregate or crush, okay. This is the sixth basic rule, okay. Guys, the seventh one is, longitudinal bar should be bent, okay, like duck leg at the bottom. As you can see, this is longitudinal bar, so at the foundation, okay, it should be bent like this, okay. It should be bent like duck leg. This is the seventh basic rule. Now guys, the eighth one is use 4 numbers steel bars in square or rectangular column, okay. Use minimum 4 numbers of longitudinal bars in square or in rectangular column. Okay. And the ninth one is, that is guys, as you can see, this is square column, so use minimum 4. And rectangular column also you can use 4 numbers minimum. But the ninth one is, okay, that is guys, at width side of column, the longitudinal bars should be, as you can see, okay, it should be at outer side like this. Okay, so this is okay, not like this. As you can see, this is width side. If you bring the steel bars here like this, okay, so this is wrong. Okay, the concrete cover should be with 25 mm. Okay, if you increase the concrete cover, if in rectangular column, okay, sorry, yes, this is okay. But if the concrete cover is more specially in rectangular column here, in this case, if the steel bar is inside of rectangular, so this is wrong. And the last one is guys, 10-point basic rules, that is, okay, top and bottom area of column should be same. As you can see, this is a column, okay, and its top and bottom should be area, okay, so the area should be same. Okay, so my diagram is not good, but I'll try. So it should be same area. Okay, it's not mean that the width and length at the bottom should be increase and the top should be decrease. No, it should be same at the top and also at the bottom. So guys, these are the important basic rules for design of column, which can help you during design of RCC column. So therefore guys, you should not forget these basic rules which I have discussed in front of you. So guys, if you have any question related with this topic, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.